So I took this off the shelf. It's all covered in dust. Thought it was a roller. My buddy's racing with street tires, and I said, I have a roller. So last night, took it off the shelf. Even though my last video with the Traxxas Raptor, I really dislike and is really slow. This already had a Traxxas VXL-3S in it. All it needed was a receiver and a remote and a battery. So I didn't really have to do any work. From just quickly looking on the internet this morning, and I was very curious to see what it is. This is a PRO kit from about 2013, roughly, for a short course truck. It's missing the front bumper, from what I can see. So we're going to turn this on. We're going to give it a go. Today's race day, and we're going to get the other buggies out on the sand track, but it's up early enough this morning. I thought, well, I had a receiver and a remote that I took out of the Traxxas Raptor. So even though I hate Traxxas, I now have a PRO kit car full of Traxxas. Go figure. So here we are, PRO stadium truck kit. It's all Traxxas. So we're gonna give her a go on the gravel. Have to wait till we get to the schoolyard, do some pavement running. But we'll see how this bitch goes. Not the best on gravel, but lots of stone. Same as anything but an off-road. So yeah, that'll be my pavement running bitch. Nice shelf find. I've had this 5 years. 5 to 10 years I've had this sitting on the shelf. And never ever looked on it. Shame. But it probably would have been wrecked by now. Have a good day.